Boom. Still at it. And we're back. So just got done mulching the side and front yard. Took about 130 minutes only. Leaves much. You know, and I think fantasy football talk here now. If a guy is out and once that fantasy matchup week is done, that person should stay out, not moved from out to questionable. Because if you're on the IR spot, you can't put them out. You can't add somebody unless you drop somebody. So I think football should do that. That if they're out, they should stay out until they come back to practice for a limited practice. Then they should switch to questionable. Comment below if you agree with me. Comment below if you don't. I want to know your thoughts. Much love. Kids are home. Yeah.